Welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. NATO World Games drill massing 50 warships, 30k troops on the Russia border. A planned NATO exercise with about 30,000 troops from more than 25 countries from Europe and North America began in the northern Norway on Monday. NATO said that the drill, named a cold response that includes 200 aircraft and 50 vessels, was not linked to Russia's unprovoked and unjustified invasion of Ukraine. The drill in NATO-member Norway, which shares a nearly 200 kilometers land border with Russia, will be held just a few hundred kilometers from the Russian border and was planned long before Moscow invasion of Ukraine. The exercise just a few miles from the Russian border was planned long before Moscow invasion of Ukraine, but its significance has now been heightened. This exercise is extremely important for the security of Norway and its allies. We will practice an allies reinforcement of Norway. Norwegian's Defense Minister Odd Roger Enoksen. It is not being held because of the Russian authorities' attacks on Ukraine, but given the backdrop, there is heightened significance. The purpose of the drill is to test on how Norway and other NATO's members would work together on land, in the air, and at the sea in line with Article 5 of NATO Charter, which requires member states to come to the aid of another member state under attack. I find it totally normal, perhaps now more than ever, to train together to demonstrate our capacities and our willingness to defend our values and our way of life, stated General Odlo, head of Norway Joint Headquarters and in charge of cold response. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.